The focus of this video lesson is solving absolute value equations. Before beginning, one must remember what is the absolute value. The absolute value, mathematically, finds the distance a number is from 0 on the number line. Note, the way the number line works is there are positives on the right and negatives on the left. Hence, there will always be two numbers that are the same distance to 0. i.e., if I have a number line and I'd like to know which two numbers have distance 3. Well, going right 3, I go 1, 2, 3, I get to 3, and going left 3, I have 1, 2, 3, I get to negative 3. So mathematically speaking, we say that the absolute value of negative 3 is 3, and the absolute value of 3 is 3. This idea will be important for today's lesson. Let's go ahead and take a look at our first example. Example 1. The absolute value of x is 5. Now note, this says that x has a distance of 5 from 0. There are two possible numbers, 5 or negative 5. As a set, 5 and negative 5. Go ahead and try this one. Absolute value of x is 13, i.e., what two numbers are 13 from 0? Pause the video, give it a try. Compare your answer with a neighbor or check in with the teacher to verify. Example 2. The absolute value of x plus 3 is 8. That means x plus 3 is either 8 from 0 or negative 8 from 0. Solving this equation is simple. We'd like to isolate the variable x, so we must remove the plus 3, and we'll do so on both equations. On the left equation, we get that x is equal to 5, and on the right, we get that x is equal to negative 11. Note, both of these values satisfy the absolute value equation. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 is 8 from 0. And negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8, and negative 8 is 8 from 0. So these are our solutions. Go ahead and give it a try. Absolute value of x plus 7 is 12. Pause the video, give it a try. Compare your answer with a neighbor or verify with the teacher. Example 3. The absolute value of 2x plus 1 is 5. This means that 2x plus 1 is 5 from 0, 5 right or 5 left. So we get 2x plus 1 is 5, or 2x plus 1 is negative 5. Solving this equation, we start by subtracting 1 from each side. This gives us 2x is equal to 4, or 2x is equal to negative 6. Then, dividing both sides of the equations by 2, we get x is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 3. So our solutions are 2 and negative 3. Try this one. The absolute value of 3x plus 6 is 12. Pause the video, give it a try. Compare your answer with a neighbor or check in with the teacher to verify.